Welcome back, grade 2s and 3s. So in this one, we're just going to do mathematics part 3. And in this one, we're just going to go through the concepts that we have learned. Grade 3s have learned this in grade 2, so it's a good recap. Just to see that they have got that foundation down. So the first one is number lines, and this is important for basically all sums. Is you can move on a number line. So let's say you have 1 plus 4, so you're going to go 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do you stop? At 5. It's a lot the same as your number chart, but it's very important. So let your child do a lot of number lines and give them move 3 back, move to the front, or give them a sum. Very important. This one goes to 20, but I'm pretty sure that the grade 3s goes to 50. So they can do sums like that. Please just also keep in mind that my class is grade 2s and 1s. So I am going to generally focus on that group for now. The other thing with grade 2s work is we are starting clocks right now. Analog clocks, not digital clocks. They have mastered on the hour, quarter past, half past, and quarter to. So periodically through the day, if you've got an analog clock, ask your child what the time is, just to make sure that that foundation is set. Another thing we've done is money. So that's really important. If you've got maybe money, cents and stuff lying around, let them add it up. Let them buy something from you. It's a very good idea to have a concept of money. What I've learned through the years is that the moment someone puts money, rand value to something, they can't do the sums, which in actual fact is it's the same numbers. It's just now in rand form. So we try really to simplify that back to numbers, because then they can do the sums, and I think they're a little bit afraid because it's money. I know I was when I was at school. Money, you're working with money now, and it's a total another concept, but it really isn't. If you go back to your maths and you do the same sum, it's going to be the same answer. So just do money with them. Even if it's just on a paper and you write R5 minus R2, how much change did you get, or something in that line. And the other thing that I was just looking at now is the money. And mental maths, yes, that was the other thing. Mental maths is very important. And in your flip file, you have plus and minus sums. And for the grade 3s and 2s, I also want you to make your own mental maths, your own sums. Don't make it too easy. You've been there, you've done that. That's over now. So good, solid mathematic questions that you have to think a little bit. Do this in your homework book or on a scrap paper, but practice. Mental math is very important. Grade 2s and grade 3s have already mastered minus and plus sums, and I know the grade 3s are starting with the 2 times table, so they can also do that. So yes, that is basically for grade 2. You see, like I explained to you in the first video, is that it's a building blocks. It's building a wall. So grade R is your foundation, and this is why it's called foundation phase. Grade 1, 2, 3, and grade R. So that's your foundation, and the bricks is what you learn in class. The cement that you lie is practice, to cement it into your foundation. So this is practice, and then grade 2, get another row of bricks, and 3, and until you have a really big, tall wall that goes up to grade 12. So definitely it's very important to make sure that you've got these down. So in the next video, this is really basically it. We've covered grade 1s and 2s to 1 work. So this is basically it for mathematics. I am going to be speaking about English home language in the next video. So this is the mathematics for you. You can practice it any way you want. Please, again, do not make your child sit for hours on end doing it. It's not fair to them, and this is not the whole point of what we've done here in school. We have amended the timetables of the rest of the year so that we don't have to sit with our children for hours on end. That's our job. We will do that when we come back. Okay, fabulous. See you guys in the next video.